Yeah, yeah, it is. And 3,800 specials. Well, yeah, but that's the whole goal. And the thing is get in this car community and this making sure that all the children are able to be safe. Yeah. All right, here we go. Here. You guys have a good one. All right. Oh, no problem.
So what's good? Today we're in the city of Fontana for a Route 66 car show presented by Pickups Unlimited, Pomona Valley. I'm actually using a new camera, so hopefully everything goes smoothly. It started at 8, ends at 2 o'clock. It's about 12 right now. A lot of nice cars. A lot of mixture of classics, vintage, muscle. I believe I did see a couple lowriders. Quite a bit of pickups.
Then I give the receipt. That works. He needs to change this is his house. That's mine. That house. Yeah, always, right? Yep. Which is good. That's the way it should. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye. Ready? Go ahead. Yeah.
I should have pre-tested this camera before a car show because if something didn't go right, then it's lost the footage. But hopefully everyone's having a good start of their weekend, day, evening. A lot of nice cars.
I'm gonna pretend like you're part right here into the show. We're just gonna mess around, do like a little reel.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Got the Mercedes out. That's pretty cool. No, you're fine. No, you're fine.
Yeah, they didn't make that many cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
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 And one guy told me that he was just like Tito's.
Get those raffle tickets out. First one is 044 7535. 044 7535. The next one, 044 7518. 044 7518. Next one is 044 7528. 044 7528. Next one is 044 7542. 044 7542. The last one, 029 0004. 029 0004. And then there's a leftover and we need to get picked up. 02 83 007. 02 83 007. Get on up here and claim your prize. You paid for it, you earned it. But stop by our 50/50.
Damn, this caddy right here though. This is my favorite one so far. also for sale. 909-695-8085.
The guy was talking to the next one came.
Still trying to mess with the settings on this. Bear with me.
But that's how it works.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Nah.
The Autobahn.
That's what I'm saying. You're not gonna get all your use out of it, right?
Cadillac Kings 60.
Yeah. This is realistic. Oh yeah, man. Oh, is that right? The real one? My best friend's dad had one like that. Yeah. Is that 70 or 67? Oh yeah, I know you can.
63 Convair. Damn, this is pretty nice. Digging that orange.
Okay, just a quick
Very nice.
Larry Fontana is here.
39 Chevy.
Car show. Carlos, 3 ways to win you over. Let's see here. Angelina. Mark,
That Cadillac right here is really nice. That metallic blue. To 60.
Nancy, Renaissance Outdoor. Michaela, 60. Valicio, Don Placas. I'm learning your name, I'm so sorry. Marilyn,
56 Chevy Bel Air.
and once again, Stephanie, action.
Damn, I like the flames on this.
Insurance claims. And California mini truck, Arnold Brothers. So hey, visit the vendors. It's not too early to buy birthday presents, you know? 865 right now on the 50-50. 865.
'54
We still
Buick.
have time to get that up to $1,000.
Damn, that's beautiful. It's really nice. Got a 27 Model T. Pickup. Oh, appreciate you, bro. How you doing?
Right there.
Oh yeah. How you been?
Good.
Good.
You were on vacation or what?
Oh yeah. Took some time off. Had some family stuff to deal with back in Nevada, so
All right, yeah.
finally back doing.
My boss will be less than a minute you're out there.
Oh yeah.
All right, bro.
Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. It's good seeing you. Oh yeah. Much love. appreciate you. That is awesome. Feel a little awkward drinking, but oh well. I normally do. Then it wouldn't really be a car show if I'm not drinking, so. Until they tell me something, then. That's the trailer that's hitched by that car. So we'll just go down the lines. Go back and forth. Ooh. Just gonna get this real quick. Oh yeah. Get back into this. That is clean. Nicely tucked too. You need food?
Getting food.
Oh, you're getting food? You're getting food?
That's food.
One of my subscribers gave it to me.
Okay.
Right. Oh, I know, I saw him getting murdered.
We're gonna go wait in line for what too?
You're gonna get some too or what?
Oh well, I only have money for her.
Oh.
Only give me $15.
You don't want to wait?
My stomach hurts.
Okay, then go get a food. We'll just get food after then. It's fake, just so you guys know.
Because, you know, instead of them saying, oh, this is something
'58 pickup. Another great color on this truck. It looks really nice. 64. You got a 48. The 65 C10 is really nice. These are both nice, but the color on that gold one is pretty dope.
Yeah, you're my 15, right?
Oh, this is pretty cool. They got it's a tap truck. I'll get around to that right now. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Got a little bar set up and everything.
Oh, I didn't see you guys. I seen the truck, but we were talking to my brother.
Okay, Alex. Bravo.
I'll take one of these. So those are actually taps right there with beer. It's my YouTube channel.
All right. Yeah, so we do this for private parties.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everywhere in the Inland Empire we cover. It's so there's also tap truck Orange County, tap truck LA, tap truck San Gabriel Valley.
Awesome.
Yeah, so
Appreciate you.
yeah, no problem.
So I have the info right there, so you guys can check it out. It's like a mobile tap. What kind of beer do you guys carry?
I carry whatever the customer wants. So I'll go to microbrews and get, say, IPAs that they like, or if they want Modelo, they want Budweiser, or like the Stella, it's whatever I can find. Like the cakes come from either Bevmo or Total Wine and More.
Okay.
So we run a dry bartending service where the customer actually pays for the alcohol, but I will go pick it up and deliver it and everything,
I
not
see.
at cost. So no extra cost in it. Just if I purchase it, I just get reimbursed for it.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Awesome. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Number on that is 951-701-6226. So if you guys do have any other questions or would like to go ahead and support them and have them for your next event, I think that's pretty cool. Here's the ad, Tap Truckee. But yeah, they could get pretty much any type of beer you want on the C1063. That's pretty cool. Get back into it.
We're looking for you.
Whoa, I've been right here.
Okay.
Like we were saying, if we were in a car, maybe if you're going to the car, get something.
What?
Radio.
For what?
I need to get my card out.
For what?
Because it only took me $20 because she was a stuffed animal.
And I get rid of all my stuff now.
And yeah, but you know, if I get hers, and it's $17.
Well, we'll just stop by one. Okay. A lot of nice cars for sure, though. I enjoy being in Nevada because that's like where my other house is, but nothing is like California. A lot of great cars. Cougar.
Good taste back there. Thought I'd get out with you. I saw your truck.
56 Thunderbird. Yeah, that's really nice. Loving that grill. A lot of beautiful cars. This pickup's pretty nice too, F100. '56. Got a '62 Impala. Got a '50 Mercury. Damn, the smell of cigar. Feel like I'm still in Vegas just from the smell of all the cigars.
That's expensive.
55. A 63 Ford Lancero. 1974. '72 Ford Plymouth. My bad, I mean Plymouth Roadrunner. I don't know why I said Ford. Ford F-150. Got a Nova. Got a nice Ecoline. One of them shag wagons. Got a Ranchero. '64. '70 El Camino Super Sport. Paint job on this is amazing. 37.
Okay, fine, you can pay his belly.
What is it?
Capybara.
How'd you find one? And how much was it?
Oh, what's this?
They coming?
Hey, fool, your big
Flick?
head.
Flick.
Yeah, you can look through the book, that's it. Nice amount of cars. Good 40 minutes. I think just in time to cut this video out. Switch cameras. Studebaker 1950.
so many of them that just
Convertible. I think that's the car George had. That's the Studebaker.
Oh, I thought you had the truck one.
Yeah, I think it was that one.
It's so sparkly.
Yeah, it is.
Smoke and mirrors, huh? Does it leave color?
Yeah, a little bit. Not too much.
Shout out my grandpa though. Appreciate him for the new camera. Love you, Pop-Pop.
All the way up until the end of the award. The yelling out last call when that time comes. So, if you want to beat the rush, come on up now. We're trying to get the 50-50 up to $1,000. We're close. We are close. At last count, 865. We're waiting on the update.
And it's like let's all come together. This is my baby. I gave birth to this baby. Yeah, I like the little flame.
Oh, I didn't even see that. That's pretty cool. 50. That's pretty much it on this.
And then it grew bigger and bigger. Yeah, but it was something else. Someone has to.
Yes, I do. don't have any of my new ones though. It's just the old ones.
Okay, well, it's nice to see you.
It was good seeing you too.
I know.
It's always great seeing you
I
guys.
told my husband, you forgot to bring an extra cup.
No, I appreciate you. He actually just gave me a can when he saw me.
I
So.
know. He thought, tell him if he needs another one to come back to the truck.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay,
It was
thank
good seeing you.
Have a nice night.
Likewise. Take care.
You too.
Yeah, I'm kind of saving all my new stickers for this concert this weekend, but I always appreciate everyone that comes and says hi, gets me drinks and everything. I do get a lot of people that do that, so I appreciate you guys. But that's pretty much it on this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, timestamp, share, all the goodness. And